Hey, are you guys looking for a home with an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit? Hey, this house is ready for you. Let's go check it out. There's a brand new listing here in Lake of the Pines. It is almost 3,000 square feet. It's absolutely beautiful. It's one of the newer homes that has beautiful hardwood floors throughout the house. You can see behind me, you've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom that direction. You got the main bedroom this direction as you kind of enter in to this open area. We have a lovely gas fireplace right here on this one side. You've got all built-in speakers throughout this house as well. And it just opens up into this dining room, which is beautiful. Then it turns right in here into this beautiful gourmet kitchen that's got the built-in microwave, nice oven, nice big room for a larger fridge. I love this buffet that's down here on this end. So you've got an extra buffet that has plenty of space to put more items here. And then you've got a pantry. So it just kind of wraps all the way around. You got a pantry and you got servicing other additional area there as well. What I love the most about this property though, of course, the large accessory dwelling unit downstairs for guests. So you can see some pictures, but full-on kitchen. And there's also a very awesome kind of man cave downstairs underneath this house too, and a separate entrance as well that you're able to have either a shop or something for a lot more storage. But what I love is that this particular owner did, since the last time I sold this home, is that they actually put this screen porch and they got it completely all in with windows and everything. And I love that they even put a cooling and heating system down here as well. So this is a beautiful little porch out here. You can see it's just absolutely bright. Love the little ambiance here, what they've got going on here. So that's quite pretty. And I love this little section here behind the bar stools here. You can see you've got some place for some different glassware and different things as well. So hey, let's head in over here into the main bedroom. As we walk into here, you can see that we've got a nice closet space here. Nice open area, a little taller ceilings as well. And then it kind of rolls right into this nicer, beautiful bathroom here. Nice and bright, as you can see in this one here, with a little bidet that you actually have there as well. And nice walk-in shower here. And what I like as well is that this large walk-in closet, which is perfect. So you got her closet right behind me and that little small one right over here for myself. So small closet, his and hers, or it could just be her summer and her fall clothing as well. As you can see, as you come down into is where you have the front door. So you have all the living area straight ahead. You can come down to the guest areas, which is a beautiful room here, which is quite nice here. Again, everything in this house is so light and so bright. And this is a bathroom that they have recently remodeled as well. You can see it's got a beautiful tub, several jets coming out of there for your shower, with a little shower above here as well, with a new updated vanity. And then second back in here, we've got in the third bedroom that we have, as they're using it kind of as an office space in here as well. So you got the 3 bedrooms and the 2 baths upstairs, open floor plan concept, place for storage everywhere. And you can put storage, pictures, whatever you want. You got the man cave downstairs, and you have a really nice, probably between around 400 to a little plus square foot of an amazing 1-bedroom bathroom with a full-on kitchen, which is a gorgeous kitchen downstairs as the accessory dwelling unit that has a separate entrance on the way back down the stairs. So guys, come see this house. You won't be disappointed. It's beautiful, and we'll talk soon.